In this tutorial, we are going to take a tour of shading control with Josh. To effectively access the shades, tap the microphone icon located in the bottom right-hand corner and issue a command such as "Open the living room shades." After the command is executed, press the Show Shades button to view the shades that have been activated. On this screen, you can select individual shades to precisely adjust their levels. To modify the shade settings, slide the main control down to close them or up to open them. For quick operation, utilize the toggle button situated at the top of the controller. With the introduction of controllable blinds, the controller becomes more sophisticated while maintaining user-friendliness. Let's choose one of the blinds to explore the options for easily adjusting the blind tilt levels. At the bottom of the controller, there are 3 buttons. On the left, there is one for tilting down, in the middle, there is one for opening the tilt, and on the right, there is one for tilting up. Additionally, there is a slider that adjusts tilt levels from 0 to 180 degrees, with 0 being fully closed downwards and 180 being fully closed upwards. To control shading by room or area, return to the main dashboard and select the Areas view. Next, choose the specific area or room you wish to manage. For example, let's select the Great Room. In the room level view, at the top, there are 2 distinct shade controllers. This occurs if your area is equipped with dual shades on the windows, typically comprising of a blackout and a sheer shade. The top slider controls your sheer shades, while the bottom slider manages your blackout shades. Sliding either of these from left to right, with the left position indicating closed and the right open, will adjust the shading levels in the area. You can also manage the shades via the control page. To do this, first, navigate to the home screen and select the control icon. Then, click on the Shades tile. This will give you instant access to every shade on the property. You can toggle all of them to close or open using the buttons at the top of the page. For more precise control, you can select a specific room to adjust its shading on its own, or choose individual shades for granular management. To adjust the shading control using a typed command, first return to the home screen. Then, press and hold the microphone button until a command box appears. In the box, type a command, such as "Close all the shades on the first floor." After entering your command, press the Show Shades button to view the shades that have been closed. We trust this guide on shading control was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.